Hi everyone. So I just wanted to make a little video demo kind of tutorial of the Lyra 8. I just think it's a really amazing instrument. It's so unique and so cool. There's really not a lot else out there like it. And I really do wish there was some more kind of tutorial kind of demos out there when I first got mine. So I thought I'd make a little video, hopefully kind of a series, to share with you some of the cool things that I've discovered over the past little while playing with it. So the first thing I want to show you is how to get subharmonics that are in tune, assuming you already have it in tune out of the Lyra 8. So say, for instance, I've got this tune to a nice little D minor scale, and say I take the fourth note, which is a G, and I want to get a subharmonic of that note. So first thing I would do in this scenario, with all the modulation for the individual voices just in the middle position, so we're just getting the usual voice out of it, vibrato off, just a little bit of delay, I'd put the middle modulation switch in the bottom position, which means 1 and 2 will be modulating 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 will be modulating 1 and 2. Oh, sorry, 1 and 2 will be modulating 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 will be modulating 1 and 2, depending on which position you have the switches in. So if you put the hold knob kind of just above 12 o'clock in the long release position of the envelope, it just kind of makes the voices drone, which is cool. So what I would do is put voice 1 and 2 modulation switch in the up position, which means it will be receiving modulation from voices 3 and 4. And then if I turn on the hold so it drones, I get a really great octave effect. So you can also do this just by holding the notes. And you can also kind of choose which subharmonic you want to have based on where, or based on the position of the modulation knob. So So you can also do this in the upper position, or on the other side of the Lyra 8, where you're not going to be getting actual subharmonics, well, depending on how you have it tuned. If, say, for instance, I have 7 and 8 tuned higher than 5 and 6, I'm not going to be getting a subharmonic, but I am going to be getting a lot more harmonic content. So I'll kind of do the same thing with 7 and 8 in the modulation in the up position, modulation knob right around 12 o'clock, and with the hold just past 12. If I put this in the long release position, we're going to get a drone again. And we're going to get kind of a lot more harmonic, a lot of richer note quality. So we can do this again on the other side if we put the middle modulation switch in the up position. So we have 7 and 8 now modulating 1 and 2. We'll get the same result as with 3 and 4 modulating 1 and 2. So we'll set that to drone, and then we get again, really cool. So one of my favorite things to do, and something that I think is really cool and kind of overlooked, I've never heard anyone else do it yet, is with the middle switch, the modulation switch in the bottom position. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6 modulating 1, 2, 7, 8, right? These two going to these two at the same time. So I think the Lyra 8 has kind of been overlooked by some people who think it's only kind of for noise and soundscape droney kind of stuff, which is it's great for that stuff. I use it for that stuff all the time. I think it's fantastic, but I also think there's just so much more to it that a lot of people kind of don't realize if they haven't taken the time to really kind of dig in. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.